The ocean is a vast and mysterious place, teeming with life in all shapes and sizes, but few creatures are as captivating and unique as the pink seahorse. Imagine a tiny dancer, adorned in shades of rose and coral, swaying gracefully amongst vibrant coral reefs. These aren't characters from a fantastical tale, but real-life wonders that inhabit our oceans. Pink seahorses, particularly the Bargibant's pygmy seahorse, are a sight to behold. Their vibrant pink hue isn't just for show, it's a crucial adaptation for survival. In the colorful world of coral reefs, blending in is key, and these little masters of disguise have it down to an art. Their small size, often no bigger than your thumbnail, adds to their charm. Don't let their diminutive stature fool you. These creatures are a testament to nature's creativity, showcasing a unique blend of beauty and resilience. Their story is one of adaptation, survival, and the delicate balance of life in our oceans. Their story is a reminder that even in the deepest corners of our planet, hidden wonders await those who dare to look. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of pink seahorses and uncover the secrets of these miniature marvels. Imagine a bustling city, alive with color and activity. That's what a coral reef is like for a pink seahorse. These underwater metropolises provide everything a tiny seahorse needs: food, shelter, and a whole lot of charm. Pink seahorses are particularly fond of the Coral Triangle, a region renowned for its incredible marine biodiversity. This underwater paradise, encompassing the waters of Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Timor-Leste, and Solomon Islands, is like the Las Vegas of the ocean, with something spectacular around every corner. Within these reefs, our pink friends prefer the shallow, calmer waters. They're not the strongest swimmers, you see. Their tiny bodies are better suited for clinging to coral branches and swaying with the gentle currents, rather than battling strong tides. But these reefs aren't just a pretty backdrop. They're essential for the survival of pink seahorses. Sadly, coral reefs around the world are facing threats from pollution and climate change. Protecting these underwater cities isn't just about preserving beauty, it's about safeguarding the future of creatures like the pink seahorse. In the animal kingdom, camouflage is a game of life or death, and pink seahorses, despite their flamboyant color, are champions of this underwater game of hide-and-seek. You could say they're the ninjas of the seahorse world. Their pink coloration, rather than making them stand out, actually helps them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Coral reefs are bursting with vibrant hues, so a splash of pink is just another day in paradise. Predators looking for a quick snack might swim right past them, none the wiser. But the Bargibant's pygmy seahorse takes camouflage to a whole new level. They've ditched the blend in memo and opted for become one with the coral strategy. Their bodies are covered in tiny bumps and tubercles that perfectly mimic the texture of their favorite hiding spot, the Gorgonian sea fan. This incredible adaptation makes them practically invisible to the untrained eye. In fact, the Bargibant's pygmy seahorse was only discovered when a scientist brought a Gorgonian sea fan back to the lab, completely unaware that he had a tiny pink house guest. Talk about a plot twist! Don't let their size fool you. Pink seahorses are packed with personality and some pretty impressive features. They may be small, but they're mighty interesting. For starters, they're not exactly built for speed. Their bodies are encased in bony plates, giving them a rigid, almost armor-like exterior. It's like they're constantly wearing a suit of armor, which, let's be honest, is pretty badass. Instead of scales, they have thin skin stretched over these bony plates. And forget about teeth, these guys are all about that suction life. Their long, tubular snouts are perfect for sucking up tiny crustaceans and plankton. It's like having a built-in straw for your meals. But perhaps their most fascinating feature is their prehensile tail. This incredible appendage acts like an extra hand, allowing them to grasp onto coral branches and seagrass, keeping them anchored in place. Imagine having a tail that doubles as a super strong hand, perfect for hanging on during a rough ocean current. That's the life of a pink seahorse. Imagine trying to eat a 5-course meal but you don't have a stomach. That's the daily struggle of our pink seahorse friends. They have a very simple digestive system, which means food passes through them incredibly quickly. No time for dessert or even a proper appetizer. This lack of a stomach means they need to eat almost constantly. We're talking 30 to 50 meals a day. But hey, when your diet consists of tiny crustaceans and plankton, it's a tough life keeping those hunger pangs at bay. Their small size and lack of swimming prowess mean they have to be strategic hunters. Remember that tubular snout? It acts like a high-powered vacuum cleaner, sucking up unsuspecting prey in the blink of an eye. And while they may not be the fastest swimmers in the sea, they've got a secret weapon: their independently moving eyes. That's right, these guys can look in two directions at once. Talk about multitasking. This allows them to scan their surroundings for food while simultaneously keeping an eye out for predators. Section 6. Daddy Daycare Seahorse Style. When it comes to parenting, seahorses definitely break the mold. Forget everything you thought you knew about traditional gender roles, because in the seahorse world, dads take center stage. Male seahorses are equipped with a special pouch on their belly, kind of like a kangaroo but way more stylish. During mating season, the female deposits her eggs into this pouch and the male fertilizes them internally. And if you thought human dads had it tough, listen to this. The male seahorse then carries these eggs, sometimes up to 1,000 at a time, for about 2 weeks. He provides them with oxygen and nutrients, essentially acting as a living, breathing incubator. Once the babies, called fry, are ready, the male goes through a sort of labor, expelling the tiny seahorses into the water. And that's about it for parental duties. The fry are on their own from the moment they're born, left to navigate the challenges of the ocean. It's a tough love approach, but hey, it seems to work for them. Section 7. Ticking clock, threats to their survival. The world of a pink seahorse, while beautiful, is fraught with challenges. Their very existence is a delicate balancing act, threatened by a multitude of factors. Habitat loss is a major concern. As coral reefs face bleaching and degradation due to climate change and pollution, pink seahorses are losing their homes and hunting grounds. Overfishing is another major threat. While not directly targeted, pink seahorses often get caught as bycatch in fishing nets, further depleting their populations. And let's not forget about the illegal pet trade. The unique beauty of pink seahorses makes them a sought-after commodity for aquariums, further fueling their capture from the wild. These threats are a stark reminder that the future of these incredible creatures is uncertain. It's up to us to protect them and ensure that future generations get to marvel at the wonder of pink seahorses. Section 8. Fun facts about these pink wonders. Ready for some rapid-fire fun facts about our pink pals? Buckle up, because these tidbits are sure to amaze tiny but mighty. The Barjabant's pygmy seahorse is one of the smallest vertebrates on Earth, measuring less than an inch long. That's smaller than your fingernail. Love at first sight? Not quite. Seahorses have a unique courtship ritual that involves swimming up to each other with their tails entwined. It's like an underwater ballet, but with more snout boops. No teeth, no problem. Seahorses swallow their food whole, relying on their digestive juices to break it down. No need for flossing. Super dads, male seahorses are the ones who carry and give birth to their young. Talk about breaking gender stereotypes. Constantly hungry. Pink seahorses need to eat almost constantly due to their lack of a stomach. They're like the hangry friends who are always down for a snack. Section 9. Our turn to care. Protecting the pink enchantment. Pink seahorses, with their vibrant color, unique adaptations, and quirky behaviors, are a testament to the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. But their future is far from secure. As we've learned, these tiny creatures face a multitude of threats, from habitat loss and overfishing to the illegal pet trade. But there's hope. By raising awareness, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and advocating for the protection of our oceans, we can all play a role in ensuring that these pink wonders continue to grace our planet for generations to come. So the next time you see a picture of a pink seahorse, let it be a reminder of the incredible beauty that exists beneath the waves, and the responsibility we have to protect it. Our actions, no matter how small, can make a world of difference for these tiny dancers of the deep.